Welcome to Shadowing English Speaking and Fluency Practice for Beginners. In today's lesson, you'll practice all 9 WH question words. What, who, whom, whose, which, when, where, why, and how. Listen, repeat, and improve your English speaking, pronunciation, and fluency. Let's get started. Let's practice what questions. What is your name?
What is your name?
One more time.
What is your name?
What time is it?
What time is it?
Try again.
What time is it?
What do you want to eat?
What do you want to eat?
Try again.
What do you want to eat?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Repeat again.
What are you doing?
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
Say it again.
What is your favorite color?
What happened yesterday?
What happened yesterday?
Try again.
What happened yesterday?
What did you say?
What did you say?
One more time.
What did you say?
What is this?
What is this?
Say it again.
What is this?
What do you think about it?
What do you think about it?
One more time.
What do you think about it?
What are your plans today?
What are your plans today?
One more time.
What are your plans today?
Excellent. Let's move to the next question word. Let's practice who questions. Who is that man?
Who is that man?
Repeat after me.
Who is that man?
Who is calling me?
Who is calling me?
Repeat again.
Who is calling me?
Who ate my sandwich?
Who ate my sandwich?
Say it again.
Who ate my sandwich?
Who is coming to the party?
Who is coming to the party?
Try again.
Who is coming to the party?
Who wrote this book?
Who wrote this book?
Try again.
Who wrote this book?
Who is your best friend?
Who is your best friend?
One more time.
Who is your best friend?
Who is knocking at the door?
Who is knocking at the door?
Repeat after me.
Who is knocking at the door?
Who left this message?
Who left this message?
Keep going.
Who left this message?
Who is your favorite singer?
Who is your favorite singer?
Repeat after me.
Who is your favorite singer?
Who can help me with this?
Who can help me with this?
Repeat again.
Who can help me with this?
Now say the next sentence before I do. Good work. Let's move to the next question word. Let's practice whom questions. Whom did you meet yesterday?
Whom did you meet yesterday?
One more time.
Whom did you meet yesterday?
Whom are you talking to?
Whom are you talking to?
One more time.
Whom are you talking to?
Whom should I contact?
Whom should I contact?
Repeat again.
Whom should I contact?
Whom did you invite to dinner?
Whom did you invite to dinner?
Keep going.
Whom did you invite to dinner?
Whom did you give the letter to?
Whom did you give the letter to?
Repeat again.
Whom did you give the letter to?
Whom are you waiting for?
Whom are you waiting for?
Try again.
Whom are you waiting for?
Whom did you ask for help?
Whom did you ask for help?
Try again.
Whom did you ask for help?
Whom do you trust the most?
Whom do you trust the most?
Keep going.
Whom do you trust the most?
Whom did you call this morning?
Whom did you call this morning?
One more time.
Whom did you call this morning?
Whom did you speak with?
Whom did you speak with?
Repeat again.
Whom did you speak with?
Good work. Let's move to the next question word. Let's practice whose questions. Whose bag is this?
Whose bag is this?
Try again.
Whose bag is this?
Whose phone is ringing?
Whose phone is ringing?
One more time.
Whose phone is ringing?
Whose idea was this?
Whose idea was this?
Try again.
Whose idea was this?
Whose turn is it?
Whose turn is it?
Repeat again.
Whose turn is it?
Whose car is parked outside?
Whose car is parked outside?
Repeat again.
Whose car is parked outside?
Whose keys are these?
Whose keys are these?
Repeat again.
Whose keys are these?
Whose book is on the table?
Whose book is on the table?
One more time.
Whose book is on the table?
Whose voice is that?
Whose voice is that?
Repeat after me.
Whose voice is that?
Whose jacket did you borrow?
Whose jacket did you borrow?
Say it again.
Whose jacket did you borrow?
Whose decision was it?
Whose decision was it?
Try again.
Whose decision was it?
Now say the next sentence before I do. Nice. Let's move to the next question word. Let's practice which questions. Which one do you like?
Which one do you like?
One more time.
Which one do you like?
Which restaurant should we go to?
Which restaurant should we go to?
Repeat after me.
Which restaurant should we go to?
Which color do you prefer?
Which color do you prefer?
Repeat again.
Which color do you prefer?
Which movie do you want to watch?
Which movie do you want to watch?
Keep going.
Which movie do you want to watch?
Which way should we go?
Which way should we go?
Say it again.
Which way should we go?
Which shirt looks better?
Which shirt looks better?
Say it again.
Which shirt looks better?
Which day works for you?
Which day works for you?
Repeat again.
Which day works for you?
Which book is yours?
Which book is yours?
One more time.
Which book is yours?
Which team do you support?
Which team do you support?
Try again.
Which team do you support?
Which option is the best?
Which option is the best?
Keep going.
Which option is the best?
Excellent. Let's move to the next question word. Let's practice when questions. When did you arrive?
When did you arrive?
Keep going.
When did you arrive?
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
Keep going.
When is your birthday?
When will you finish the project?
When will you finish the project?
Keep going.
When will you finish the project?
When does the movie start?
When does the movie start?
Say it again.
When does the movie start?
When can we meet?
When can we meet?
Repeat after me.
When can we meet?
When did you move here?
When did you move here?
Keep going.
When did you move here?
When is the meeting scheduled?
When is the meeting scheduled?
Say it again.
When is the meeting scheduled?
When do you usually wake up?
When do you usually wake up?
Repeat after me.
When do you usually wake up?
When will the bus arrive?
When will the bus arrive?
Try again.
When will the bus arrive?
When did this happen?
When did this happen?
Repeat after me.
When did this happen?
Now say the next sentence before I do. Good work. Let's move to the next question word. Let's practice where questions. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Try again.
Where are you going?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Say it again.
Where do you live?
Where is the nearest store?
Where is the nearest store?
Say it again.
Where is the nearest store?
Where did you put my keys?
Where did you put my keys?
Repeat after me.
Where did you put my keys?
Where were you last night?
Where were you last night?
Try again.
Where were you last night?
Where can I find a taxi?
Where can I find a taxi?
One more time.
Where can I find a taxi?
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
Keep going.
Where is the bathroom?
Where did you buy this jacket?
Where did you buy this jacket?
Keep going.
Where did you buy this jacket?
Where should we meet?
Where should we meet?
Say it again.
Where should we meet?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Repeat after me.
Where are you from?
Nice. Let's move to the next question word. Let's practice why questions. Why are you late?
Why are you late?
Repeat again.
Why are you late?
Why did you do that?
Why did you do that?
Try again.
Why did you do that?
Why are you so happy?
Why are you so happy?
Keep going.
Why are you so happy?
Why did you leave early?
Why did you leave early?
Say it again.
Why did you leave early?
Why is the door open?
Why is the door open?
Keep going.
Why is the door open?
Why do you like this song?
Why do you like this song?
Repeat after me.
Why do you like this song?
Why did you choose this job?
Why did you choose this job?
One more time.
Why did you choose this job?
Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
Repeat again.
Why are you crying?
Why didn't you call me?
Why didn't you call me?
Try again.
Why didn't you call me?
Why is everyone laughing?
Why is everyone laughing?
One more time.
Why is everyone laughing?
Now say the next sentence before I do. Great job. Let's move to the next question word. Let's practice how questions. How are you today?
How are you today?
Repeat again.
How are you today?
How do you make this dish?
How do you make this dish?
One more time.
How do you make this dish?
How did you learn English?
How did you learn English?
One more time.
How did you learn English?
How far is the airport?
How far is the airport?
Repeat again.
How far is the airport?
How much does this cost?
How much does this cost?
Try again.
How much does this cost?
How long will it take?
How long will it take?
Repeat again.
How long will it take?
How do you feel now?
How do you feel now?
Repeat after me.
How do you feel now?
How was your weekend?
How was your weekend?
Repeat after me.
How was your weekend?
How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Try again.
How can I help you?
How did the meeting go?
How did the meeting go?
One more time.
How did the meeting go?
Great job. You've practiced all 9 WH question words. Keep shadowing every day, and your English will become more natural and fluent. See you next time.